Hi guys, just a quick video. I just found this out for myself and it's the question, can Siri turn on your flashlight? So let's give it a go. Hey Siri, can you turn on my flashlight? There you go, it works. Hope that's useful for you. Please share it. I think a lot of people don't know that this useful feature's on the phone. And obviously if you're stuck in the dark, messing about with your phone, trying to switch on your flashlight, this is pretty handy. So, hey Siri, can you switch off my flashlight? And there you go. So it switches it on, switches it off. Do give it a thumbs up if that's amused you. It amused me when I found out. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.